Hi everybody and welcome. Today we're going to take a look at the high-speed turning tools available from Findbuytool. HSS turning tools are vital for woodturners regardless of skill level. They're made from high-speed steel. The cutting edges are incredibly durable, sharp and resistant to heat and wear. These qualities ensure the tools stay effective for extended periods, empowering you to explore your creativity and take on diverse turning projects. The set includes 1-inch spindle roughing chisel, 7/8" spindle roughing chisel, 1-inch skew, 1/2" skew, 3/8" fingernail spindle gouge, round nose scraper, spear scraper, and a 5/8" beading and parting tool. Although HSS tools keep their edge a lot longer than carbon steel, it is still important to know how to sharpen your tools effectively. So before we start to see what these tools can do, let's take a quick moment to take a look at sharpening.